Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you have kids at home, then definitely you'll be having n number of toys, and if you're planning to declutter them, then please wait and think if you can reuse those toys into your DIY projects like how I did. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used my baby's toys and turned them into beautiful DIY hijab pins holder with no sew, no glue technique. So without any further delay, let's quickly get into the video. Let's check out all the 7 ideas to do 1-minute DIY. And to do this, firstly you would need some sponges. You can either get sponges from market or you can reuse the sponges which you get in watch box. Here I am reusing them. For the first DIY, I am taking my baby's loader vehicle. The best thing about sponge is that it can be molded into any size and shape as desired. That's it. I have given this loader truck a beautiful hijab pin holder look. Isn't this cute? This will definitely look beautiful when you keep it on your dressing table, and the wheels are sturdy, so it is very easy to move from one place to another as well. The second DIY is my personal favorite because I use this every day. Here I have taken my baby's hanging toy from Play Gym. This is a soft toy which has a band with velcro attached. Here I am simply placing all my hijab pins, and I have tied this band on my fingers. Depending on your finger size, you can adjust this band, and whenever you put on a hijab, whenever you style your hijab, it will be very easy for you to use the hijab pins rather than searching for the hijab pins in your dressing table. The next DIY is the cutest of all. Here I am using a bullock cart, a cart toy basically, and I am simply placing my hijab pins on a sponge, and this looks so beautiful and I just love it. More than a DIY, I'll definitely call this as a hack. I'm sure every one of you will be having a cute teddy in your home. You can simply use any teddy available to make it a hijab pin holder. The next DIY is for those who are planning to reuse their larger or the bigger toys. Here I'm using a truck which is quite long, and also I'm using a big sponge here which I got in watch box. You can either decorate the sponge or you can also place the sponge on top of the lorry, and yeah, you can create something like this. Basically it should be a hijab pin holder, right? This DIY is for those who have lots of show pieces at home. Here I'm using one of my beautiful show piece. It's like a jar or a jug or whatever you call it as. As I told you earlier, you can mold the sponge in any size and shape you like and create a beautiful holder. This DIY is just to tell you guys that you can actually reuse things which you think you cannot reuse. For instance, this mixer vehicle, I initially thought I cannot reuse this, but yeah, see the way I have used this as a hijab pin holder, which looks really sturdy, and it can be moved from one place to another because it's a vehicle obviously, and it looks beautiful on dressing table as well. That's it guys. I really hope that you found all the 7 DIY ideas helpful.